Greetings guys, welcome to our video. In this video we will showcase some unique bar accessories from Indianshelf to elevate your bar aesthetics. Also, stick around till the end to find our take on some unique cocktails recipes. Let's start with the video. Introducing Indianshelf glass coasters. Elevate your dining experience with our exquisite range of coasters. Crafted with precision and passion, each coaster boasts vibrant designs that add a touch of elegance to any setting. Coming up next, the Indianshelf drink stirrers, your perfect companion for stirring up some magic in every sip. Say goodbye to flimsy, low-quality ice cream sticks and upgrade to our premium stirrers crafted with care and precision. Next on the list are Indianshelf bottle stoppers. Add a burst of color and style to your wine collection. Crafted with precision and passion, each stopper is a work of art, enhancing the look of your favorite bottles. Ready to unlock a world of flavor. Next on our list are the Indianshelf bottle openers. Crafted for both style and practicality, our openers make opening bottles a seamless experience. A world of flavor, where every cocktail tells a story. Join us on our journey as we explore the art of mixology.